What's very good Android here? So, we are just few days away from the official unveiling of the Huawei's upcoming beast, the Huawei P60 series, and I was not expecting that. A whole unboxing video of the Huawei's P60 Pro appeared online, which is unreal. Anyway, I know you can't wait, so let's jump directly into it. So, here is the video. Well, it shows the Huawei's P60 Pro version with a white color retail box. It has a Huawei P60 Pro label and XMage branding, as well as a proud logo of Kunlun glass, which is the strongest glass ever introduced by Huawei. The retail box also shows a powered by Harmony OS written at the bottom. The box is simple and the first view lands on the brand new camera system. Here you can see the light goes through that large ring in the middle. The side has a shiny frame and silver coated volume, as well as the power button with a red indicator. And here is the device itself. Just look at this beauty. The tile-like texture produces a matte touch on the rear side, which is looking absolutely beautiful. Well, this is the new change in the Huawei's P series design scheme. The next scene draws us to the front with that large screen and curved edges, and with a closer look though, we found that it's a quad curved display that Huawei introduced with the Huawei's P40 Pro design. The next shot demonstrates the screen's durability of the Kunlun glass, while the last frame comes towards us with a boot screen including the Huawei and the Harmony OS start the animation. Well, this unboxing gives us our very first look at the Huawei's P60 series, and the disclosure of the information in the video are awesome from every perspective. Especially, the rear material is something entirely different than the Huawei's P50 Pro phone. Also, the camera system has a white color which perfectly blends into the rear case, and the Huawei's P60 Pro camera also has a round camera on the top and a rectangular shaped periscope zoom on the bottom. This phone looks simply amazing. I just can't wait to see it in a person and want to see the camera result of it. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and a sub to the channel would be amazing for this video. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.